E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de 007 First Light. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada, participem da comunidade do Discord, participem aí da Twitch. E hoje galera, nós vamos começar mais uma gameplay aqui de 007 First Light. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, o pessoal que estiver vendo pela Twitch, meu canal principal é Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Lá no YouTube, pessoal que estiver vendo pelo YouTube, beleza? Meu canal principal. E quem quiser participar aí da comunidade Discord, quem quiser participar aí das redes sociais minha, TikTok e outras plataformas, tá aí no campo de comentários abaixo. Bom, vamos lá. Na última parte a gente estava aqui. Eu sei que nós saímos da Mauritânia com o John Conway, pelo que eu relembrar. E o Bond, ele sofreu uma invasão na casa dele. Parece que um dos criminosos era o tal Murto lá da coisa. E a gente tá na perseguição desse Murto. Então estamos na apresentação das Industrias Webb aqui, no modo história. Vamos lá. Depois de sair da Mauritânia por um triz com o programa 00 em frangalhos, Bond é obrigado a se afastar e voltar para seu apartamento em White, onde deve esperar pelas novas ordens, mesmo sabendo que os responsáveis pela morte de Monroe continuam à solta. É, o assassino Monroe, né? Nós tá no capítulo 6, que eu sei, do jogo aqui. O contexto no modo história. Mas vai continuar aqui, não parou. Vamos continuar aqui, esperar o jogo carregar. Vamos continuar aqui. Ah, nós tá na festa de celebração.
Thanks. Should we call babysitter? Let her know we're on our way home.
Aqui, ó. Esse mesmo, nós parou aqui, ó. Festa de exibição, ó. Vamos ver.
Get you something, sir?
Hey, watch it.
Hey, watch it.
Come on, be serious.
Yeah, no problem. I've got to find a way to fool
Tem que
this
encontrar
lad.
uma maneira de enganar esse cara.
There's no denying that the impact is already profound. Just look at the business sectors like healthcare, customer service, and the automobile industry. And let's not forget what it's done for medical research breakthroughs and climate research. Whether we like it or not,
Vamos ver,
AI
vamos
is here to
explorar
stay.
aqui. Eu tô atrás do assassino, encontre o assassino.
I don't trust anybody's judgment, let alone some algorithm. I feel our eventual over-reliance on it will result in
Excuse me.
Tem várias maneiras de abordagem aqui.
Sorry,
Mind your
just
step.
trying to get through.
Sorry, sir. Can't let you through.
Just looking for the bathroom. Other side of the bar. Got you now.
Ela não pode passar, né?
People say Webb's
Tem que
planning some
comprar
big tech
a
demonstration
oportunidade de
today.
entrar.
I hear half the cabinet's here.
David, there are free drinks. I'm surprised the entire cabinet isn't here.
O que tá escrito aqui?
Unintentional. Just coming through.
My fault?
Nossa, que da hora. Ó, o sinal tá vindo por lá.
Completely drowned me, the blonde buffoon.
I am incredibly sorry, sir. More than I make it.
Noite de gala, baile de gala. O assassino fugiu para o baile de gala da Webb. Vá atrás dele.
Month.
You've been smart with me.
Just a good guess was all, sir.
Right. Well, if he comes back this way, I'll point him out. You throw him on the street.
Será que ele tá aqui? O assassino tá aqui. O assassino. Não tem nada aqui. Ah,
He binned the phone.
ele jogou o telefone no lixo.
Of course he
sem
did.
dúvida alguma. Ah, ele deixou o sinal de rastreio aqui. Ele sabia que estava sendo rastreado.
Tell me you caught him.
No. But it
Não,
looks like
mas parece que as
CCTV
câmeras de
did.
segurança o
If I
pegaram.
access the camera feed, can you locate him?
You'd have to patch me directly into
Teria
the
que me colocar
CCTV network
diretamente no terminal
terminal.
das redes das câmeras.
Go to the security room.
Vá
It's
até a
first
sala
floor,
de segurança.
east
Fica
wing.
primeiro andar,
Staff offices.
ala leste.
Got it.
Let's get a spot up close for the big speech.
So we can bask in the warm glow of
And what department would I find you toiling away in cyberlinguistics?
So, is this your first gala event, Sarah?
Yeah.
Ah, tem várias oportunidades, né? Olha lá, com a ajuda de Monty Payne, Bond rastreia Murto até o museu WEA, onde acontece a comemoração dos 125 anos das Indústrias Webb.
It's pretty big, this one. Ministers, millionaires, billionaires. And me.
Quite the guest list.
Me? Not the first. I've been on some big jobs over the years. Worked security at a party for the royals once. King Charles himself.
That woman you talked to at the bar.
Hey, you're back home. Just waiting on a journalist who's running late and holding me up.
Vamos ver o que a mulher tá falando aqui.
Rob Minkley, Crux Magazine. No, he's not here. That's why I'm calling you. Actually, Mike Chaxfield
Na
from the
verdade,
Bulletin
será
is
que
here,
o
I'm
Mike
told.
Preston
If Minkley doesn't appear in the next 10,
Se Mickey não
let's find
aparecer em 10
him,
minutos,
give
vamos
him
atrás
the
dele e fazer
exclusive.
uma exclusiva.
Yes, that Rob Minkley. I'd really rather the exclusive went to Crux,
Oh, my
but if he
damn.
can't be asked turning up, we have no choice but to offer it to Mike and the Bulletin.
She might be able to help me here.
Sir, I already told you. No guests this way.
And you are?
Mike Shaxfield.
Oh. I thought you'd be older.
Sorry to disappoint.
No, you haven't. Anyway, good timing. I'm giving the Bulletin the best seat in the house for the show and an exclusive interview with Sir Nicholas right after.
Sounds great.
Go see Linda in the press room for your pass, then take yourself and your camera upstairs to the balcony. Security will let you through once you flash your pass.
Will do.
Tem que pegar a credencial, né?
Careful.
Say we hit the bar.
Well, Sir Nicholas's speech is
A sodding train wreck. 3 agents in training dead. Scores of civilians
Quem que é esse aqui?
Diplomatic relations. Bond?
Foreign Secretary.
I was told your entire department was suspended. M has you doing event security now?
Well, I'm off the clock, actually. An invitation fell into my lap.
Right.
Keeping bright there.
I see my daughter's fashion sense hasn't rubbed up on you.
I'm sure my bank account wouldn't allow it. Sir.
Senhor.
I'm very sorry about what happened.
Peço desculpa pelo que aconteceu.
Did everything I could.
I know.
Possível.
I believe you did. And I know who to blame.
I trust Crester's recovery is going well.
Well, the doctors say she will walk. Hopefully, the whole
Apologies.
incident is
Unintentional.
Pardon me.
Is this your first Ghana event, Sarah? Oh, by the way, did Webb's PR swing by to collect that key card she asked for? You know, the one I gave to you earlier.
Not yet. Still right here in my pocket.
Continua bem aqui no meu bolso.
Maybe she's just been busy.
Yeah.
Cartão de
Or
acesso.
maybe she likes having an excuse to come and find
Let's
me.
see where this takes
Could
me.
be.
Tell you what, if she swings by looking for it, give me a nudge.
Make it.
Sorry, I need to leave.
Make sure she gives it. Personally.
All right. Will do.
Eu tenho várias oportunidades. Vamos ver o fulo de reportagem. Consiga o cartão de acesso com a funcionária Sarah. Consiga um crachá da empresa e uma câmera. Vou fazer esse de crachá. Tem várias abordagens. O legal do jogo é isso. Tem várias mecânicas que você pode escolher o mesmo objetivo na missão, mas várias abordagens. É um jogo de espionagem. Tem aqui.
It's the second time this week he's done this to me. Supposed to be at the entrance covering my own post.
Look, have you tried giving him a bell?
Yeah, multiple times. He's not picking up for me.
But it has to be tonight.
He's gone on the lash again and left me in the lurch. I'm gonna bloody kill him. He's a right pain in the arse.
You need to stop covering for him.
Tem que ir na
He's my mate, but
vigilância.
he's really testing me right now.
Well, this tardy lad could come in useful.
Any idea why we're here tonight?
Not a clue. But given the setup and the wording of the invite, I suspect Webb has something big planned. A grand unveiling or something?
Well, I have it on good faith from a source. Minkley is not only making an appearance, but he's also been given the best seat in the house.
If Minkley's here, it must be juicy. Webb hates that man after he penned that piece on him. I suspect whatever he's unveiling tonight, it also serves
needs
as
a
a
look.
salute to that insufferable excuse for a journalist.
Is that a hint of jealousy, I detect?
Do a good bedtime, Sarah.
We
I'll
worked
check
together
on you as soon as
once
I'm
when he
home.
was just starting out.
Okay, leave it
That
go.
man
Night.
was...
Peguei o cartão de acesso e agora? Fulo de reportagem. Tem várias maneiras aqui em ir até a sala de vigilância, galera. Olha só que da hora. Uma das maneiras é guarda atrasado, membro de segurança está atrasado. Ó. E coisa. O jogo Michael Crystal com crachá, tem imprensa e câmera, Crashfield pode ir e coisa. É o que essa missão que a gente escolheu. Cartão de acesso. Sarah no balcão tá. Tem informações que tem um cartão de acesso para. E o outro, as dicas 4. Linda, na sala de empresa tem credenciais. Credencial de imprensa câmera.
Step over his own mother if he knew there was a byline in it for him. In fact, I suspect he already has.
But so it tracks everything. You know, I promised some people.
Huh?
The chubby duck, that's right.
Heart rate and
You've been looking forward because it's our anniversary and everything. That's well, don't get upset, but
every single
That's odd. What? You can't be here.
I was just leaving.
Don't be a stranger.
He needs to stay in tip-top shape so that he can run Webb Industries the same way he's been doing so since '98. I don't think it's excessive at all. In fact, I highly recommend it to anyone who's bored.
You know what I say? A dose of artificial intelligence a day keeps the doctor away.
what the hell was that?
Never very far away, thanks to that marvelous piece of technology.
Hey.
Pacote de coisa.
What is that?
I'm not using that.
Is that? What's that?
I didn't forget. I told you about this last week. I need to be here. My boss invited me, and when he invites me somewhere, I can't say no.
Tava pra entrar por lá.
Look, I need to go. I'll call you later.
Furo de reportagem.
Can I help you? I'm with the press. Need to get upstairs for the main event. Snap some pics. Head on up. Pretty quiet up there now, save for a few of Webb's folk. Thanks, gents.
It's a steam train wreck. 3 agents in training dead. Diplomatic relations.
Eu posso ter autorização agora para subir aqui? Cartão de acesso ao museu.
Take a look at this guy.
I had that jacket when I was 15 and in a pub.
Evening.
Didn't feel like dressing for the big soiree.
Laundry day.
Sounds like thirsty work. How about a drink?
Another time, perhaps.
Anytime.
Aqui é um aniversário da data comemorativa de 125 anos da Webb.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. In the bar.
Ah, então a gente para aqui a área de segurança, né? Eu fingi que eu sou da imprensa, né?
Sir, this area is off limits.
MI6. We have a potential security threat. I need access to the CCTV feed and I need it now.
Right. Sure you are. Listen, son. My name is Simon, and Simon says, go back to the gala, have yourself a glass of bubbles, and try not to worry that pretty little head of yours. We've got everything under control here tonight.
You need to listen to me.
Feet or head first? You choose.
I'll check on you as soon as I'm home. Promise. Okay, let's go. Night.
I wake up in the morning and I wonder why.
Cartão.
CCTV room should be through here.
Agora não tem volta.
This ends now. Ow.
Ação controlada.
No sign of Sir Nicholas yet. Big night like this, you think he'd be down there in the middle of all that, shaking everyone's hands and cutting deals with half a Downing Street. I'll be in the office if anyone's looking for the key card for the CCTV room. Just have them radio and come find me.
All right, Gov, will do.
Huh? What?
Show yourself, or else!
Wait, what?
Let's move in.
Somebody's injured. Right here.
Check them out.
You good there? Out cold. Watch out. I want a full search of this area.
Roger that.
It's no good. Gotta keep up the search.
Huh?
God. Huh? What?
Oh my. Did you find anything?
Nothing unusual.
Could be nothing, could be something. Better keep scanning. Right, I'm checking here. There's a man down, over there.
Find out if they're...
Hey? Huh? Hey, get definitely have a problem. Yes, there's a madman down. Watch out!
Right, time to leave. Let's move.
Hey, reveal yourself. You want more?
A situação tá contida.
Going over this area. I need to work this out. Nothing out of place here. Checking out this area. Something isn't adding up here.
This spot check.
Pera aí.
Looking into this.
Bet you didn't see that coming.
Bom, tá tudo sob controle, né? Que é isso aqui?
Bingo.
Cartão sala de vigilância. Ah, bingo! Cartão de escritório. O guarda da Webb do escritório tem um cartão de acesso por...
I know, right? They're all earpieces and attitudes. Zero sense of humor.
I went to grab myself a sandwich earlier, and one of them got in the lift with me. He just kept staring at me like I was going to detonate it.
Who are you?
Part of Sir Nicholas's private security team. Just on the lookout for anyone eating suspicious-looking sandwiches.
Should we worry about what that lad from MI6 told us?
If he was from MI6, I'm from the North Pole.
If something goes down here tonight, and you and I knew about it, they'll have our heads. You do know that.
Nothing ever happens at these things besides someone spilling a drink or falling on their asses because they've had one too many.
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure. Besides, plausible deniability.
Okay. Huh?
Oh, so foggy.
Now you're getting it. Up here for thinking, down there for dancing.
Nothing to worry about.
I think I could hear movement.
What the... I'm gonna mess you up! He's done for!
You've got to be joking. Let me at it!
Simon says don't get up.
You only worked the 9 to 5.
Bad day at the bookies last week.
Think you need a cheaper hobby, mate.
Yeah, so everyone keeps telling me. Well, what about you?
Girlfriend wants a holiday in the sun.
Well, sounds like you need a cheaper bird. There's no such thing, mate.
No such thing.
What the hell? We need assistance, now!
I'll call for backup. Pick up, we're dealing with a maniac here. Send help. Just send anybody. Tap out, mate. I'll take a shot at him.
Give me your best shot!
You people need to work on your communication.
We need to cut that. Get straight to the... Oh, can I help you?
Security. Don't mind me. Just doing a quick sweep.
Aren't you a little underdressed?
Casual Friday.
It's Thursday.
Eu sou funcionário. Que é isso aqui? Aviso de segurança. Uma variação de ameaça do secretário de Relações Exteriores Wright e sua comitiva recomendaria segurança extra. Caraca, mano.
How's it look down there?
The party looks like it's in full swing. You?
Stragglers hanging around reception and the cloakroom, but overall, everything looks good from where I'm standing.
Reckon we could slip down there and grab ourselves a few of those canapes before anyone notices that we're gone?
Yeah, I say when the big man's speech kicks off, why the hell not?
Copy that.
Que isso? Aviso na sala de vigilância. 2 guardas de serviço estarão em cartões de segurança com eles. Terei os nomes mais perto da data. Diretor Ralph.
2 guards, 2 keys. Thank you, Director Hamilton.
Ah, esse cartão.
What the hell? Could be a wounded man. Just there.
I don't believe it. Go see if they're still breathing and watch your back.
What's wrong, buddy? He's out cold.
Come on!
What was that?
What could...
Really didn't want to have to do that.
Valeu.
That one might leave a mark.
O que é escrito aqui? Proibido fumar. Expressamente proibido fumar na sacada da cortina do baile. Diretor Hamilton. Área de segurança. Engraçado, eu já passei aqui, eu nem lembro. Parece que alguém já passou aqui antes. Cartão de acesso. Ah, sala de vigilância.
Moneypenny, I'm at the terminal.
Hang on, just need someplace quiet.
Quero ver se eu não vou ter permissão de entrar aqui, moço. Que isso? Cartão postal de Kingston. Ray, reservei um lindo hotel 5 estrelas para a gente no centro de Londres. Mas quase desistimos depois daquelas horríveis explosão do case. A vida mais colapsa, corpo diante. Coisa. Certo. Ah, virar.
I dare say Trey has his hands full.
Cartão postal.
Bollocks, I don't have the password.
People are lazy. They probably put it on a post-it note. Have a look around.
Alright, sit tight.
Ah, não tem a senha aqui do baile de gala.
So how's your boy?
On his third pint. Wondering why my aunt keeps calling.
A drunk and a fool. He sounds like a keeper.
Oh, shut it.
Not it.
Fala Harry Scaly. Não, não é isso aqui.
No password here.
Não tem nenhuma senha aqui. Com baile de
Any
gala.
luck? I've got a line for me.
Hold on.
Com baile de gala da Webb.
Nothing.
Project Ignite. O Project Ignite vem sendo uma longa jornada e nada menos que um esforço herculano. Sua persistência, cuidado e absoluta dedicação fazem com que os resultados finais se destaquem. O que criamos é forte. Melhor que criamos versão de resultados do seu esforço como uma equipe. Obrigado pela dedicação, diretor Hamilton.
Not it.
Funcionário do ano.
People really should be more careful.
Deveria ter mais cuidado. Ah, e a senha. Password. Produce.
Found it.
What did I tell you? Now, patch me in.
Logging in now.
Acessando agora, estou dentro.
I'm in.
Okay.
Pegando as imagens. Ah, aqui está seu cara.
Here's your man.
So much for 2 birds, 1 stone. You have a location?
Basement archives. Not the worst place to lay low. Or plan an ambush.
Not tonight. I'm headed there now.
Ok. Onde que o porão fica? Olha o elevador aqui.
Doors closing.
Vou descer até o porão.
Hiding in the dark, Murto.
Escondido no escuro, morto. Vamos pegar esse desgraçado.
He's down here somewhere. Looks like it unlocks remotely.
Bilhete. Gary.
Arts funding isn't what it used to be.
Gary, a fechadura da porta da sala de risco ainda está quebrada. Precisamos consertar para poder trancar tudo após o expediente. Deixar assim você. As precisas serem resolvidas antes do baile de gala da Webb dessa semana. Obrigado. Mas como eu vou entrar aqui? Ué, meu, não quer abrir por quê? Ah, entendi. Dá pra entrar assim, né?
Well, this all looks very expensive. Let's not touch anything. Basil from accounting will have my head. Sorry, Baz.
Ele tá no porão, não é?
Huh. If only it was this easy all the time.
Ah, agora sim. Eu vou entrar no sótão agora. Ah, tem muitos quadros aqui, área de segurança. Será que o morto tá aqui? O inimigo que estamos procurando? Como o bonde fica assim?
this all looks rather ominous.
Opa! Opa! Nossa! Agora é um boss, né?
Soon, Mr. Bond.
Must be something I can use to get to him.
Coward.
Bet his brother felt that one too. Not that clever. Think, James, think. Has to be something I can use.
Don't think so. No.
Ô desgraçado! Eu fui besta. Ah, ele não cai na mesma dificuldade duas vezes, o cara é esperto. Tem que distrair ele de outra coisa. Tem que aproveitar o cenário aqui, cara. O bot também, o jogo é sacana. Em vez de uma arma. Meu, é injusto. O jogo te coloca em cada fria, hein? Aí complica, né, cara? Não tem como, né? O cara também é um...
Must be something I can use here.
Tem que aproveitar.
that knock the wind out of his sails? Must be something I can use to get to him.
I'm tired of this.
Pense, bonde, bens. Tentar idiota.
No more games.
Has to be something I can use to get to him.
No.
Think, James, think. Has to be something I can use.
Not this time.
Droga!
Not that clever.
Must be something I can use here.
Don't think so. No. Bang.
Has to be something I can use to get to him.
No.
Nice man!
Must be something I can use to get to him.
Fight me! Let's finish it!
Not again. Just once.
Coming for you. Must be something I can use here. His brother felt that one.
Aí, seu desgraçado. Uou! Nossa! Caralho! Uou! Vai pegar o bonde. Ferrou, sorte que a arma aí ferrou. Nossa! Já foi dos... É os gêmeos, né?
That was for Monroe.
Isso foi por Monroe. controle, estou vendo o alvo. Isso foi por Monroe.
Awaiting
A gente da
authorization
Webb,
from Webb.
fiquem em suas
Understood.
posições. Tem sentido, a gente
He's
da
just
Webb.
an old geezer.
Ele não passa de um negócio. Tem
Sure, we
certeza que
brought
temos
enough men.
homens
He's
suficientes.
tougher than he looks.
Hã?
Proceed with
Eles
caution.
querem matar
His
o...
arms in a sling. I think we can manage.
Greenway.
Greenway. Eles querem matar o Greenway.
Moneypenny, it's Webb. The Murtos are working for Nicholas bloody Webb. He's behind everything.
James, that's just not...
James,
I know what I heard.
eu sei o que eu
I need to
vi.
get a hold of Greenway. He's
Ele é o
next.
próximo.
Already tried. He's off the grid. James, we are in over our heads. We need to inform M.
No time. I'm going after him. Make him call off the attack.
Are you
Confronte o
out of
Sr.
your
Nicholas
mind?
Webb.
Nicholas Webb is one of the most powerful men in Britain. Let's think this through.
What about Murto's earpiece? If I patch you in, can you trace the second attack team?
It does look like it's transmitting a
Parece a
geolocation signal to a device inside the building.
It has to be Webb. He
Nicholas
commands
Webb.
the assassins. Tell me you can hack it.
From a bathroom stall at the Knight Errant. Not a chance. But I can use your watch as a data extraction tool.
Tero
You just get
Murto.
close to Webb and I'll handle the rest. I only need a few minutes to update the software.
One down, one
Já
to
foi,
go.
falta só mais
Now
um.
to find Webb.
Precisa encontrar o Webb. Tero Murto. Os sinais são sutis, mas existem. É Tero Murto. Aqui foi o local da batalha e da morte dele.
Need to confront Webb.
Preciso confrontar Nicholas Webb. Acho que dá pra entrar por aqui, né?
Need to confront Webb.
Nicholas Webb é o dono da festa.
Doors, please.
Opa! Confronte o Sr. Nicholas Webb.
Need to confront Webb.
Bloody hell!
Museum door inspector. This one didn't pass.
Estou de volta no evento.
Are you serious?
My fault. One of those days. Where are you, Webb?
Opa, eu conheço a garota.
Inconvenient time.
Hora inconveniente.
Must say, you look astonishing for your age, Agent
A
Roth.
sua idade, agente Roth.
Hardly a day over 50.
Would you expect an apology?
How about an explanation?
Later. Just play along.
Damien!
Damien!
I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
You're not. Damien, meet Mr. Beach, was it?
Damien Bond. James Bond.
What do you do, James, lately?
O que você faz, bem, ultimamente caçador de talentos.
I do hope you're not
Damien.
plotting on stealing Isola here. I took so much trouble in hiring her. She really is rather brilliant. Quite the catch.
I'm not making any
Não
promises.
prometo nada.
What do you know? I'm out. Excuse me, gentlemen.
Que surpresa. Vem embora, cavaleiro. Vá com
Be
calma,
careful
James.
with this
Ela é
one,
alheia
James.
demais.
Dare I
Olha o
say,
seu
out
caminhãozinho.
of your league.
Your attention, please.
Hold this, Danny.
Cuidado, segure isso, Damien.
Kindly make your way to the main stage.
Então, por trás quem está dos assassinos é o Sr. Webb.
Well, welcome all.
Sejam todos bem-vindos.
Tonight we celebrate the
Hoje
history
estamos comemorar a história
of
das
Webb
indústrias do Web.
But merely looking
Ah,
back
125
would
anos das
be
indústrias do Web, né?
complacent. Personally,
Prefiro falar do
I
futuro,
prefer
Sr. Nicholas.
to look ahead.
Nicholas Webb, ele é o sênior dessa empresa. Olha só, robôs! Nossa! É a apresentação desse evento de uma nova tecnologia.
Webb Industries has pushed
Tem contribuído para um futuro melhor, mais seguro das indústrias do
It's
web.
done. I've updated your watch. The hack starts automatically when you're
Ele
within
será
3
hackeado
feet of the
quando
target.
você estiver a 1 metro do alvo.
And yet I want us to aim higher.
Quite
Sorry,
all right.
just trying to get past you.
I believe technology has the power to elevate us
Fala
above
comigo.
the chaotic fog.
Nossa, o James está
Sacred
desmaiando,
rays
cara. O que aconteceu?
And into the more gracious.
Segurança! Ele caiu! Eu acho que alguma coisa pode ser a bebida do bonde, olha lá. Olha lá. Caraca, mano. Ai, ai. Sequestraram eles.
It's time to clear the cobwebs.
Web.
Put you lucid.
Caraca, mano. Damien?
See you wasted no
Vejo que
time.
você não perde tempo.
No, she wasted mine.
Não, ela despertou o meu tempo. Ok, sou
Someone
bem
trained her
ensiná-la.
well.
Sr.
How did you
Nicholas,
allow her to
como
get this
pôde
close?
deixar ela chegar
And
tão perto? E o que ele
what
está
is
fazendo aqui, você sabe? Indo com a
You know
MI6.
I handle MI6.
They were onto us, and I didn't think that
Ele
we
estava
had
atrás de
time
nós,
for
achei que
your
não tivesse
back
tempo a
turn.
perder.
That is
Ah lá.
precisely
Esse é o problema, você
the
não tem
problem.
que achar nada.
You don't
Sr.
think.
Nicholas,
Careful.
cuidado, muito cuidado, você sabe como
Careful.
fico. Pai.
You know
É
how
pai
I
e
get
filho?
fire.
Enough.
Basta,
Damien.
Damien. Basta, Damien.
Yes, well, alas.
Ei, não podemos voltar atrás. A bola está em jogo. O MI6.
Rolling. I have a full strike team on
Uma
Greenway.
equipe
He
está
is as
pronta
good
para
as dead.
bater Greenway.
Fine.
Certo, agora limpe sua bagunça.
Clean up your mess.
Eles estão por trás, eles são donos da MI6, né? Os Damien, então, pai e filho. Nossa, que reviravolta.
Needn't come to this.
Não precisava ser assim. Peço
And I'm
desculpas.
truly sorry. Well, it's only
Não
cold-blooded
faz de
murder.
assassinato a sangue frio. Pare de
Don't beat
se
yourself up about
martirizar. Pare de se martirizar. Nós vamos sofrer interrogatório agora.
Okay. Very
Muito
well.
bem, ordens são ordens.
You heard, man. This is going to be the end
Só
of
vim de
a
uma carreira que
very
estava só
short
começando.
career. Never
Nunca
accept a
aceite
drink
bebida de
from a stranger. I guess they didn't teach you that in that little spy school of yours.
Naquela sua escolinha de espião.
One for the road.
Nossa!
What? No witty remark? Not even the old.
Hackeou o celular de quem, meu Webb?
Wow, you really are quite disappointing.
How did you know 009 was in Slovakia and left? Do you have a mole at MI6?
You're good. I tell you, I really would, but then, well, then I'd have to kill you. Oh, wait. I'm gonna do that anyway. Would you look at the time? Joe.
Tell me something. Do you always bring sedatives to a party? I should count myself lucky I didn't wake up in your hotel room.
Your profile wasn't kidding, was it? You really are spectacularly annoying. Anything else you'd like to get off your chest?
I wouldn't leave if I were you. MI6 has the place surrounded. They've heard every word you said.
Now you're just stalling. Are you holding out for your mentor to save you? Because, believe me, he has his own problems. I have places to be.
Have you told Nico about his brother's untimely end? I do hope he doesn't shoot the messenger.
Just be grateful that I don't have his patience or his anatomical know-how.
Opa, tá quase hackeando.
We're about done here then. My champagne's getting flat.
I'm curious. What did 009 have on you? You must have posed quite a threat.
Yes, well, you've seen the t-shirt. Every crisis is an opportunity.
I have to ask, do you often let your father scold you like a petulant child?
Dá bronca, ixi Maria.
Oh, James. Now you're just trying to get a rise out of me. Have it your way.
Conseguimos, 100%. Hackeamos o celular, nem meu Webb.
That was.
Eu vou te dar. Você vai ver a sua que eu dar em você. Damien.
Make them disappear.
Faça-os desaparecer. Ah, tinha uma faca guardada. Legal! Você não salva pro garoto.
Can you walk?
A isola.
Well, let's find out.
We'll have company soon. I don't suppose you have an exit strategy?
Well, this wasn't exactly a planned visit.
Figured as much. Blocked.
Imaginei.
Quick, check the others.
Verifique as portas. Escape com a isola. Convidado indesejável. Tô vendo.
3 months. That's how long I spent infiltrating Webb Industries.
Rei de
and
escudos.
you managed to waste it in all of the...
Cartão do evento. 125 anos das indústrias Webb.
seconds.
It's a gift.
James, the door. Whatever Damien slipped to you, you better snap out of it. I'll do it myself. And locked, to be expected.
No way out.
Didn't take you for a quitter. Window it is, then.
What are you doing?
Só tem a janela, então.
Waiting for you, James.
Calma aí, senhorita.
Be a gentleman.
Aí sim, hein? Rolando clima, hein? Ai, caramba.
Don't get used to it. Now pull me up.
No time, someone's coming. Hide.
Esconda-se.
Don't know the half of it. Management just issued a code wipe back at the perch. All hands on deck.
An all-out data wipe because of one guy.
A data wipe.
Awfully quiet, isn't it?
What are you trying to hide?
Awfully quiet, isn't it?
Somehow that makes it worse. Vince? Noel? You two just about done in there?
Oh, they're done all right.
Is that what I think?
Good talk.
James, what happened?
O que aconteceu?
I got it wrong. It isn't Sir Nicholas controlling the kill team. It's his lunatic son. I barely escaped. Tell me your plan worked.
I'm processing. Piggybacking the signal, tracing their coordinates. Look, we find the kill team, we find Greenway. Where are you now?
I'm just about to be swarmed by trigger-happy mercenaries. I need a way out of the museum.
Already on it. According to schematics, there's an old backlot behind the exhibit. Chances are the hostiles don't know about it.
Moneypenny, whoever this bloke is, he doesn't deserve it.
Será que tem uma roda de fuga por aqui?
Oh, it's bring your gun to work day. I must have missed the memo.
Inform all units we're on full lockdown. The target can't be allowed to flee the building or make it back to the public wing.
Do we have his picture?
I've requested his profile from HQ. Coming through any minute.
And the woman?
We'll deal with her later. He's top priority.
Oh, he won't be going anywhere.
I hear you. Give it up. I can hear you. Surrender yourself.
Weird.
Oh, is this a joke? Right. HQ is aware of the situation. They're sending more units. Bit overkill if you ask me. That's Webb. Belt and braces.
Somebody down, right there.
Check up on them. Watch your back.
He got to you. He's still breathing. We have to get this guy.
Watch out!
That's not. Wait!
Watch out! Are you okay? Hey! He's here! Move!
The hell? What's this now? Weird.
Can you hear me? Should have read your job description.
Wonder what that is.
Watch it! Ignore that. What was that? Over there! Over there! Going around! There's no way out. Time to die.
Watch out! Flash bomb! Listen And to the right. He's not moving. Flush him out.
You're finished. Lock him with the door. Right in the sights.
I see him! Engage!
Take
Lock
it
in
down.
position!
We can take it. Man down.
Well, that was dramatic.
Pegar umas armas, né? Foi fácil. Hora de... Cuidei dos guardas já.
Balcony on the other side's my way out.
Volte para o QG. Melhor para colaborar com a excursão. Não tem convidados lá ainda. Tem que atravessar a sacada do outro lado. O evento tá tendo lá embaixo. Nossa! Tem que escapar do museu aqui. Opa, saída na sacada. Encontro uma saída.
Not to alarm you, but an armed unit's just arrived from Webb Industrias HQ.
I must have made an impression.
Acho que causei mal.
Any advice?
Algum conselho?
Play nice.
Comporte-se.
Always.
Sempre. Oh, uma sacada. Eu tenho que chegar até o Greenway. Nossa, tá amanhecendo, parece. Pera aí, galera.
Hopefully this is a good time to drop in.
Com sorte, 1 hora pra fazer uma visita.
Ground and first floor exit secure.
Saída de
Watch your
terra.
backs, keep your eye
Tome
out for
cuidado,
anyone
fiquem de olho em qualquer pessoa.
FYI, Saunders and White have
Informação sutil, Walters e Art estão com os cartões de
I'll be
acesso.
needing that key card.
Eu preciso sair por lá, né?
What in...
Wouldn't hurt to check. What was that?
I'll have a quick look. Look alive! We got a body right there.
Go check them out. Just be careful. Could be that there's someone dangerous in the area.
You feeling all right? He's out cold.
What? Ought to check that.
On the stairs in front of the fountain, yeah? Checked it about 20 minutes ago. It's secure.
You're moving up
That
here.
one too. You really
Yeah,
do love a
I
good
hope
checklist,
so.
don't you?
You don't know.
You remind me of my
It's been
wife.
ages since the process started.
Well, the vetting's insane. I think they're talking to everyone I know. I'm doing all sorts of weird tests.
Really?
Yeah, they don't mess about when it comes to national security.
Well, they shouldn't, should they?
What about you?
Goes again.
Ever get the
Moving
hit?
up.
Wait!
Deixa eu ver os equipamentos que eu tenho aqui. Ah, bracelete de laser. Não, eu queria aquele
Huh? That's not good. Why are you moving and what's going on? Got it.
Desviar, bonde! Ai, Cássio.
You're moving up here?
Yeah, I hope so.
You don't know?
Cássio.
Ages since the process started.
Well, the vetting's insane. I think they're talking to everyone I know. I'm doing all sorts of weird tests.
There he goes. Really? Moving up. What the hell? This hurts! Let's give that a look. Got it. What? Stupid thing.
Any idea who it is we're supposed to be watching for in here? Not yet. Don't have a...
This is absurd. What now?
Casualty in the workshop.
What? What the?
My
check
eyes.
this out.
God damn. I'm blind. Ah. What was that? So strange. Hey.
Huh. Must be seeing things.
Guardas idiotas.
That was odd.
You heard what they found in the basement? No. What? One of the twins? Yeah. Somebody impaled him.
Jesus Christ. I only seen them around the office with Damien a few times. Those two make me very uncomfortable. Everyone gives them space for a reason.
Yep. Well, now there's only one of them.
Something's wrong.
Hey! Dick! Oi! Calling it in! Up out here! You're getting a free nose job.
What? Who's back there? Let me check on that.
Nothing, I guess.
Hey. Wait.
On it!
Obrigado, senhores. Tô eliminando um por um. Tem muitos guardas ainda, né?
Huh? What is going on here?
What the hell? What happened? What is going on here?
Huh? What's that?
I've got a casualty in the courtyard. Go assess them and report back.
What the? This makes no sense. What could that... Sorted. Weird.
Leave it be.
How is this possible?
What on earth? I'm on it! Oh, we've got a situation down here.
Engage it. No way.
Not important.
Sir, where are you? I'll make the call now. Control, we've got a situation.
We're on our own now.
searching.
What was that?
I'm in control. I'm in the AO. Send some men down.
Anyone have eyes on?
Just passing through.
There's a body, just there.
Find out if they're breathing.
Damn. What's wrong with you? It's bad, he's out cold.
What on earth was it? Searching the next. Brace yourself.
I see Damien's boys have made an appearance. Must be serious.
Yeah, must be. Honestly though, some of those lads aren't right in the head. They scare me. They've got that crazy look.
It's gone dark!
It's that lot, that's for sure. Don't even look at them if you don't have to. I do the same with Damien, if I'm being honest. That chap makes me nervous. Something's not right there. Comes across as a bit of a loose cannon, you know?
Yeah, I know. Best keep our distance and let them do their thing. Safer that way.
What?
Could be worth a look.
What is...
I'm gonna give you up!
Hello? Yes, there's a madman down here. Send people.
He's disappeared. I can't see him. Visual on target. You there.
Vou chegar atirando, cara.
Could have played that a little smoother, James.
I see Damien's boys have made an appearance. Must be serious.
Yeah, must be. Honestly though, some of those lads aren't right in the head. They scare me. They've got that crazy look in their eyes.
Yeah, same. You don't cross that lot, that's for sure. Don't even look at them if you don't have to. I do the same with Damien, if I'm being honest. That chap makes me nervous. Something's not right there. Comes across as a bit of a loose cannon, you know?
Yeah, I know. Best keep our distance and let them do their thing. Safer that way.
Oh, what's up? What's up with that? Done. Where is he? Oh! What's that? Who's there? Let it go. We're dealing with a maniac here.
Well, that was fun.
Check the exit? Checked and double-checked. Locked up tight.
Great. If anyone tries to get in, they have to come through here first. And even then, they'll need one of the key cards Saunders and White have to open it. And good luck to them trying to get that.
Indeed.
What's that?
Come on, really?
Look at that.
What?
Don't get up.
Não tem que ir na porta. Eu tenho que sair por aqui, né?
Didn't look good. Better go and look.
Cara, tem muita
The
segurança.
recreation project uses an advanced neural network algorithm to recreate damaged or incomplete historical artifacts with unprecedented accuracy. The algorithm analyzes
Evening.
and practices the historical target method. The AI constructs replicas of the broken or missing which is therefore
Tango 1 is a white male, mid-20s, dark hair, medium build. Orders
Ah,
is
fala
shoot on
sério.
sight.
Damien's dogs, I presume.
O que agora? O que é? Fala sério, cara. Tanques são mercenários de elite que usam blindagens balísticas, não tem medo de nada e avançado até eliminar qualquer ameaça. Nossa, cara, você tá de brincadeira.
Clearing right side.
Taking
Check
lead.
that corridor.
Moving.
Entrance right, clear. Press on! Reload! Take him down! Cut him off! He's in my sights! Need supporting fire! Right position! Push forward! You're going down! I'm trying! Need a reload! He's wounded! I'm injured! Give me a second! Reloading! He's moving cover! He's not as sharp as he looks! Cover me! In my sight! Hey, blood! Piece of heat on!
Ah, mano, o jogo tá de sacanagem, né? Ô, cara, tá de brincadeira, mano. Ô, para, mano. Ô, aí também, ô, cara, ô, inimigos blindados, mano. Caraca, mano. Aí você quer matar.
Listen up. Tango 1 is a white male, mid-20s, dark hair, medium build. Orders are to shoot on sight.
Damien's dogs, I presume.
Taking lead, right check that corridor.
Entrance right, clear. You go check that out. Yes, sir.
Squad is in
Watch
position.
your back. There! Rush to position! I'm wounded! Somebody's hit! Grenade away! He's keeping his vantage point. Here! Down there! Down! Advance! Reloading! Move it! Down! Can't find him! Come out, David! He's here! On my position! Grenade away! He's in my sight! Lost! Oh, Jesus! Getting cover! Throwing frag grenade! Target spotted! Right bloody there!
desgraçado.
Over there! Put him in a body bag! I've got eyes on him! Grenade! Grenade down! Not going in! No line of sight! Trying to contain him! That's my location!
Quanto desses desgraçados tem ainda?
Pick up the pressure! He's moving! He's in my sight! Over there! Grab grenade out! Come on now!
Preciso de uma arma.
Grenade away! Maintain pressure! Yes, he's changing it up! Out! Force him out into the open! Grenade away! Maintain fire! Target spotted! Over there!
Ahá, isso! Seus desgraçados. Nossa, cara, você tá de brincadeira. Você tá de brincadeira, moço.
Okay.
Tem uma saída daqui?
Thank you for your visit. We hope to see you again.
Somehow I doubt that.
James, I have the coordinates. Transmitting now.
Moneypenny, you're a lifesaver. Where's your date?
Anywhere but here. His words.
He's lost.
He's lost.
I've got the address. You'll need a ride.
Hold on. Almost out.
Preciso sair daqui. Entrada dos fundos. Chegue à doca de carregamento. Vá para o toca de carregamento para escapar do museu. Tem que salvar o John com o Ray. Vamos lá.
James, what's happening? Is that shooting? Are you alright?
I'll let you know in a minute.
Caraca, mano. Ah, o caminho de mexer. Boa, gente.
Jesus Christ!
Not quite. Keys, where are they?
In the car!
Thanks.
It sticks in second!
Negative. No visual on the target.
Oh, escapa.
Don't worry. I'll take good care of her.
Isso! Nossa! Nossa, que troço! Isso é furação, né? Não tem não! Vou me pegar esses bruxos. Nossa senhora!
Now,
onde estávamos?
Christ, half of Kensington.
Deve ter ouvido conseguir
Did you get a
carro.
car?
and some.
É algo
What are you
mais,
speaking
não é
to me
cheiro.
Get a move on.
Yes, Mom.
Sim, senhora. Ah, John Gray eliminou os assassinos. Sim, senhora.
Thought I told you to
Achei que
go
tivesse
home.
ido para ir para casa.
Needed some fresh
Precisava
air.
de um pouco de ar fresco.
Clearly.
E obviamente, Clearly.
And did you figure out who's
Você
been
descobriu
trying
quem
to
está
kill us?
tentando nos matar?
Webb.
Webb.
So you understand what we
Então você
need to do
entende o que
next.
precisamos fazer. Webb. Olha lá.
Find a report.
Um boletim de ocorrência? Sim.
We need
Nós temos que agir
to make the
primeiro.
first move.
E agora vai mudar o cenário. Esse é o fim do capítulo 6, então.
Quite the stash you got here, Greenway.
I asked Q to make a dead
Pedi
drop
ao
earlier.
carro para mim
Old dog,
providenciar
old
algo que
trick.
tinha que ser útil.
Now
Agora
tool
pega o
up.
que
I
precisar.
reckon the laser would prove useful in this type of situation.
Agora podemos usar a mina de atordoamento. O K agora. Mas vamos escolher para essa missão. Vamos lá, deixa eu ver, câmera de ondas de choque. Eu tô em dúvida, mina de adormento.
All set. Off we go.
Lá vamos nós. Industrias Webb, nossa! Chegamos ao prédio da Industrias Webb.
Gentlemen, I've breached the Webb Industries database, and as of this moment, you're both upper middle management. I'm sure you'll blend right in. Your IDs will only take you as far as the executive floors. That's where the real challenge begins. Your final destination is an impregnable, self-contained structure atop the main building known as the Perch. I believe this is where the company stores its data.
Code white. Webb's deleting all the evidence. What can you tell us about the Perch?
That's just it. The place is an information black hole. No blueprints, no infrastructure, nothing. Have I mentioned that this is a terrible idea? I need to notify M.
Negative. M is need to know only. Her protection, not ours.
A Amy, né?
Shut up, Moneypenny.
Anime-se bom.
We're not leaving without
vamos
answers.
sair daqui sem respostas.
Play it cool.
Haja naturalmente. Sempre. Né?
Evening.
20, boa noite.
Perch bound, I see.
Indo para Torres.
Burning the midnight oil.
Fazendo hora extra, você trabalha
You work
lá.
at the Perch?
I work with all departments.
Com todos os departamentos.
Roger Finch, Chief Legal Officer.
Roger Finch, diretor
And you
jurídico.
are?
Vocês são? Segurança.
Network engineers. We've been called in to help out with the Code White.
Huh?
Código branco.
I handle all Perch employment contracts personally. I don't recall seeing you before.
Story of my life.
I see.
Entendo.
You must work closely with
Deve trabalhar
Danvers.
com
How's he
o
doing?
Danvers.
I haven't seen him all week.
Ele está bem, ainda não.
And never better.
Really? He does seem to be taking well to the
tratamento, mas não
treatments, but
diria melhor
never
do que
better.
nunca, né?
I'm a glass half full
Sou
kind of guy.
otimista.
Will you deal with this clod, or should I?
I got this.
Say, I didn't catch your name.
Smith.
Right.
É Smith.
And your company ID number?
I'm between ID numbers, tech issues. IT is sorting me out.
Let me get this straight.
Are you quite alright?
I don't feel so good, actually. Alright. Something you ate?
Foi alguma coisa que comeu.
Oh dear God. Excuse me.
Deus amado, com licença. Capítulo 7. Quintal, Industrias Webb. Galera, o negócio é o seguinte. A gente então continua na próxima parte, beleza? Peço mais uma vez você, aqui uma despedida. Peço mais uma vez vocês deixarem o like. Não vai custar nada participarem da comunidade Discord. E a gente vê então na próxima parte de 017 First Light, beleza? Então é isso aí, galera. Um forte abraço, valeu. Na próxima parte vamos explorar as indústrias web, beleza? Um forte abraço, valeu, vou nessa, fui.